guys, welcome to another video. So today we've got a really exciting one for you. We are going to be taking a sneaky peek at Madam Glam's limited edition 2024 Advent Calendar. So I'm just going to let you have a little read of the back of here. So if you just want to pause the video and have a little read, you can do. If you're not interested in reading the back, then you don't have to. It's a little Christmas story telling you what is inside. So Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula and Hema-free. Amazing quality gels, guys, especially for people who suffer with skin allergies. So we have got numbers 1 to 12. So we've got 12 full-size Madam Glam gel polish bottles, guys, limited edition at that. So let's have a little sneaky peek what's inside them all, shall we? So this one is a rubber base called Fairy Primer. Look at this. Oh, this is right up my street. So it's like a milky white with sparkles. Ooh, it's so pretty. What's behind door number 2? So this is a gel polish. Like I said earlier, these are all 15ml bottles, guys. This one's called Fireside Embrace. Look at that. A proper pillar box red. Love it. We all need a red for Christmas, don't we? So this one is also, oh no, this one is a no wipe top coat, which is called Christmas Eve Sky. And this does just look like Christmas Eve sky. Look at that. It's so sparkly. Number 4. This one is a gel polish, a glittery one called Golden Time. This one's really pretty as well. Look at the hollow in that. I was really surprised with this. I'm not a fan of glittery gels, but once I saw this swatched, I actually really like that one. Number 5. Oh, this is one of my favourites. Look at this gel polish, guys. It's called Crystal Aurora, and you'll see why in a minute. Look at that. Oh, love it. Wait until you see that swatched, especially over a black. Then we've got this beautiful shade of green called Divine Noel. Really like that shade. Number 7 is a gel polish. Really like them labels. Called Sugar Plum. This one's really pretty as well. It's like a bit like a metallic kind of colour. Really pretty pink. This one I thought was a white. Wait until you see it. So it's called a Ballerina Blush. Look, does that not look like a white to you? But wait until you see this swatched. Well shocked with that one. Actually, probably one of my favourites. So this number 9 is a gel polish called Copper Radiance. And again, a metallic-y colour. Actually, no, I'd call that more of a pearly colour. So number 10 looks like it's going to be a purple, but it actually isn't. This one's called Frosted Crystal. And look at this. It's a really pretty shade of blue. Really like that. It's a really pretty shade, isn't it? So next up, number 11 is a gel polish, which is called Clouded Pearl. Again, this is really pretty. It's like a milky white, but it's got all sorts of gorgeousness in there. Can you see? Oh, it looks like it's got little flecks of pearls in there and little shards of silver. It's gorgeous. So now, last but not least, we're on to the final one, number 12. So this gel polish is called Nutmeg Spice, and that is exactly what it reminds me of. Look at that. So, should we get them swatched now, guys? I wanted to swatch them with you just so you can see how they apply and what they apply like. And then after I've swatched them all, I'll give them all a top coat off camera, and then we'll see what they look like matte and shiny. So while I'm swatching these, I'm just going to pop a little bit of music on, speed the swatching up, and then I'll pop back in when we come back and have a look at them all.
I can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? The London, Paris, Tokyo. Oh, shorty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Feel better if I say the songs for you when you feel down and better. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo. Oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Right guys, so let's have a look at these now, all swatched with Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat and their Velvet Matte Top Coat. So this is Fairy Primer. It's like a milky white gel with matte white shards in it. This one is Fireside Embrace. Love that red. This one is that No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. Really pretty one. Christmas Eve Sky. Really, really pretty. This is the glitter one that I was on about. Look, the hollow glitter. It's really, really smart. It's like a really, really light metallic champagne gold, nearly silver, but then it's got little bits of hollow in it. Then this one is my favourite, Crystal Aurora. Look at this one, guys. This one's quite a sheer one. That is after only one coat though. Can you see when you apply it over a red how you get a completely different effect to what you do over a clear and a black? Gorgeous that. This green's a really pretty shade, Divine Noel. As far as green goes, I actually really like that shade. Then we've got Sugar Plum. This one is like a metallic-y kind of look. Really pretty pink. I was just trying to show you here. It is actually fully opaque. Can you see? Fully opaque. That was after 2 coats. This one is the one I was on about. So I thought this was a white. Then I thought ballerina blush. It can't be. It's got to be a pink. Look, that looks white, doesn't it? Bright white. But look at it when you actually put it next to something white. It actually is a very, very subtle light pink. Beautiful, beautiful colour that. Then we have got Copper Radiance. This one is like a kind of pearly look. And then this blue is called Frosted Crystal. This one's really pretty as well. This one's called Clouded Pearl. And it does look like it's got little bits of pearl in it. And again, it's in like a milky gel. Just trying to show you there. It is a little bit translucent. That is on a clear swatch stick though. And then lastly, we've got Nutmeg Spice. And I think that name suits this down to a T, don't you? So that's after 2 coats, guys. Really, really pretty, glittery, proper Christmas colour, isn't it? And then that is all of them together, all swatched, guys. What do you think? There's some really, really special colours there, isn't there? I'm really, really happy with every single one of them, actually, to be honest. I can't say there's one of them that I don't like. I actually like every single one of them. Even that green, and I'm not a massive fan of green, but I actually really like that shade. So yeah, that's all the gel polishes out of Madam Glam's epic, gorgeous Christmas calendar. So these are already on Madam Glam's website, guys. So don't hang about. Make sure you head over and get yours as soon as possible before they all sell out. I'll leave the link to the Madam Glam website pinned in my comments. I have also got a discount code for Madam Glam, which is a 35% off discount code. Unfortunately, you can't use my discount code against the calendars because the calendars are already highly discounted. But if you do decide to grab a few other things whilst placing your order, if you pop in GG35 at checkout, that will take 35% off anything else in your basket. So I will leave that pinned in my comments as well. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. A little sneaky peek of what comes inside Madam Glam's limited edition 2024 advent calendar. So what I've decided I might do is, running up to Christmas, maybe starting on the 1st of December, I'm thinking of maybe doing a design every day using whatever comes in that day's box. What do you guys think? Do you think that sounds like a good idea? Would you be interested in watching that every day? Maybe not a full video, maybe just doing a short or something. I'm not too sure yet. I've not fully thought it through, but let me know what you guys would like to see. Also, let me know if any of you guys have got this advent calendar coming or whether you're planning on ordering it. I'd love to know how many of you are ordering it this year. And yeah, that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.